What did you? Oh, you did it. An apple fell out of the fridge. She just grabbed it and ran for it. Gertie, you are an opportunist, huh? What a Gert. Oh. I don't know, Puka. There wasn't any more for you. What are you going to do now? There's no food for you. Oh, Pukita. Shall we give one of Gertie's to Puka? It's okay. Don't worry, Mommy has some really good food for you today. I made turnips for you last night. Hi, Skeen. All done? Puka, you can go. Go. Look, look, look. Look, 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 look. Go over my leg. You like that? Puka, go and see what's left in there. Look, look. Puka, Puka, Puka. Puka, Puka. Go in there. He doesn't want to go past my body. Puka, go. Look, 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 look. Look, look, look over there. Look, look, look. Ah, Gertie.